Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm Anthony Ray, one of the attorneys here at Ray Law International. Welcome to the Ray Law International channel. There are various ways to legally obtain a green card. The diversity of U.S. culture comes from its people. Many of those who come to the U.S. come because of a romantic link to a U.S. citizen or green card holder. Let's find out what you need to know and see if there have been any recent changes. Many immigrants receive a green card through marriage, but how does that work? Today, we're going to talk about the process and timeline. First of all, what is a green card? A green card is a permit that allows you to permanently live and work in the United States. For those people who are married to a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident but live outside the U.S., here is an overview of how you obtain your immigrant visa and then your green card. It happens in the following steps. First, your U.S. citizen or green card holder spouse files an immigrant petition with the USCIS. Next, you have to wait a while for the USCIS to actually pick up your immigrant petition and then approve it. They're a little backed up. The USCIS will then send your case to the National Visa Center, which is part of the Department of State. If your priority date is current or the visa is immediately available, you will pay the fees and submit your immigrant visa application and affidavit of support. The National Visa Center will then send it over to the designated U.S. Embassy. In your home country, you will undergo a background check and medical exam and attend the immigrant visa interview. This is called consular processing. Make sure that you have all the correct paperwork with you when you attend your interview. Next, if you are approved by a U.S. consulate, you will receive an immigrant visa in your passport and a sealed envelope to give to CBP when you enter the United States. Do not open the envelope. And remember, you must enter the United States before your immigrant visa expires. Then, upon your arrival at the airport or border, you will be directed to secondary inspection. Be very careful during this inspection. CBP does have the right to send you back home if anything seems amiss in your paperwork or in your answers. Finally, once you have passed the inspection, you will be granted permanent residence and your green card will be ordered for production. Don't forget to pay the USCIS immigrant visa fee online. CBP will stamp your passport and you will be allowed to immediately obtain your Social Security number, which will allow you to work and obtain other benefits. Your green card will arrive in the mail several weeks later. Did you find this information helpful? What was your experience like? If you missed any of the steps or have questions, contact us to find out more. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and check out our other videos on this topic. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.